Hey everyone, so welcome back to another video in our channel. And in this video, as you can see, we are going to discuss regarding the detailed exam pattern and the detailed syllabus of TCS NQT. We are going to discuss everything section wise. Okay, so whatever the syllabus is for coding section or the foundational sections, numerical, verbal, reasoning, everything we are going to discuss. So if you are new to our channel, do subscribe to the channel and you can join our Telegram group also from the description box link. There are two groups basically, so make sure you are joining the TCS NQT group specially made from the description box link, and make sure you are sharing this video with all of your friends who are appearing for this exam. So first one you already know, that is foundation section, and there are three parts in the foundation section. There will be numerical ability, verbal ability and reasoning ability. So for numerical ability there will be 20 questions, for verbal ability there will be 25 questions, and for reasoning ability there will be 20 questions. By numerical you already understand it is quant, and verbal will be basic based on English, and reasoning will be based on reasoning ability. There will be total 75 minutes for these three sections. Okay, so these three sections will be coming together in the under the foundation sections. Okay, so there will be total 75 minutes time, and there will be total 65 number of questions. Okay, so for each question you will be getting almost 1 minute and some seconds. So for 1 minute you have to give answers to all the questions. Make sure that whatever you are answering is correct. Okay, at least make sure you are getting at least 70% questions correct. Okay, and even if you are not able to make them correct, you can give any answers of which you feel that is correct, which you feel that might be correct, because there is no negative marking. Okay, so make sure you are attending as much questions as you can, because there is no negative marking. So the questions you can solve, make sure you are doing them correct, and the questions you cannot solve, make sure you are giving the answers as well for them also, because there is no negative marking, so there is no harm in giving answers. Okay, so this is done by the foundation section. There is going to be a cutoff between like 60 to 70%, and after you clear this there is a advanced section as well. So the result for foundation section will not going to come, because these two exam is going to happen simultaneously. So when the foundation section is done, you are also going to appear for the advanced section. Okay, but if you clear the foundation section, only then your advanced section score is going to get checked. So if you do good in this foundation section, you are getting ninja interview call at least. Okay, but you have to do good in both for our TCS digital, for a TCS digital interview call. So for this advanced section there is going to be advanced quants. There will also be 10 questions for 20 minutes, and there will be advanced reasoning. There will be 10 questions for 15 minutes. So for advanced quants, make sure you have practiced the permutation combination, statistics, probability, these things good. Okay, because advanced quants will be continuing this thing. So there will be next advanced coding. In this same advanced section part, there will be two coding questions, and there will be total 55 minutes, one 20 minutes and another 35 minutes. So there will be total 55 minutes, and you can use any language like C, C++, Java, Python, both all these languages are eligible. You can use any of them. So there is no negative marking, as I have already mentioned. So let's check the syllabus. So the syllabus for quant, what is the syllabus for quant going to be? So for quants there is going to be number system, there is going to be arithmetic, there is going to be geometry, and for from arithmetic also there is going to be specially questions from profit loss, time and war. Okay, and there will be mensuration. Mensuration means generally I think you already know, like that circle, then square, this type of their area will be given. You need to calculate the radius. This type of questions will be there. There will be questions related to LCM, HCF. Like directly LCM and HCF you are not be needed to calculate, but there will be questions regarding this from where you need to calculate LCM and HCF to figure out the question's answer. Also there will be questions from speed, time, distance. Everything of these you already done up to your class 10th. Okay, so there is nothing new. Okay, you just make sure you are practicing it from the previous year questions and all. And if you need me to share some previous year questions or share some practice videos, I just comment down, I will share those. There is also going to be questions from percentage, ratio, proportion, mixture, simple interest and compound interest. And there is also going to be permutation combination, as I have already mentioned inside the advanced quants part. Also average, partnership, these things will be there. Probability, trains, ages, like to a train is passing a bridge or a train is passing a tree, like that. Also one more thing might be there, that is boat and stream. So these are the most important parts of quants. Okay, so any of these things might come. The main thing is not going to be the difficulty, because you have already done these things in your school, so all of you can do this, solve these things. Main thing will be your speed. Okay, so you have to solve 65 questions within just 75 minutes. So the main thing will be your speed. Next will be your reasoning. So in reasoning there might be data interpretation, letter series, number series, data sufficiency, pattern recognition, syllogism, blood relation, visual reasoning, direction, coding decoding, setting arrangement, these things. Okay, so any of these topics from quants, reasoning, or verbal, or coding, whatever it might be, if you feel that for a particular topic you don't have any idea, or if you don't have proper idea for that particular topic to get done in the to solve those questions from the TCS NQT exam. Like suppose you don't have any idea about syllogism, or you don't have any idea about blood relation, so or you don't have any idea regarding this thing, boat and stream or trains. Okay, whatever the topic might be, just put a comment. I will make a separate video for that particular topic. I will give you the basic idea, and I will make you practice few questions as well. The next will be verbal ability, and the verbal ability there will be reading comprehensions. That is the major part, because that will consider many questions, that will contain many questions. Like one reading comprehension generally contains at least 4 or 5 questions. Okay, there will be parajumbles, that means there will be some sentence given in, but you have to rearrange them and so that they make sense. And there will be questions from grammar. So grammar based questions will be there. Mostly there will be grammar based questions, and also in grammar there is tense. And from error finding also, like there will be a sentence given and you have to find where is the error. Okay, that is also might be a grammatical error, or might be some other error as well. Might be questions from synonym, antonym, and there is also going to be questions from article, preposition, these things. Okay, so inside grammar many questions there might be. And for coding there will be, need to know the coding basics, and also conditionals, that is the if else, switch case, these things. For loops you need to know for loop, while loop, do while loop, for each loop, these things. And in arrays make sure you are practicing 1D and 2D, and for strings also make sure you are practicing them correctly. Also there might be questions from functions as well. But I think if you are practicing this array, 1D array, 2D array, and string based questions correctly, right? Like swapping the strings, or like word swap, this type of, there are many strings and array based questions. You can just go and search in the Google, like string based practice questions or array based practice questions. You will be you are going to get many such videos, or also you can get many such codes. There might be the different coding platforms like Geeks for Geeks, Insta, these things. From there also you can practice. But string and array based questions are very important for these TCS NQT coding questions. Okay, there is generally a string based or one array based question must be there. Okay, so at least one of them is going to come. Make sure you are preparing these string and array based questions well. So like you have different string functions, traversing a string, okay, or you can splitting a string, all of these functions, combining these things might be coming there. There is a huge chance. So again, before ending this video, if you need any more suggestion, if you need any more video related to this thesis in QT, just comment down. And so that's it, and make sure you are joining our Telegram groups.